I know I wasn't challenged to a woofing challenge. Please tell me that's not what happened. "360 Louie, are you serious right now? Come on, man." A woofing challenge. Woofing challenge. And we think we got challenged to a woofing challenge. Let's make sure, okay? Let's make sure that we are doing this. Like, this is something we gonna do. Alright, let's roll the clip.
We're gonna be doing a woofing challenge against 360 Woods.
So y'all see that it's true. It's a woofing challenge going, a 10-week woofing challenge. He's 6 weeks in, I'm 5 weeks in, you know, in my woof. Now, 360 Louie, man, if y'all don't know who he is a 12-year-old wave YouTuber, alright? And his channel will be linked down below, and if y'all click on that link, man, go ahead and shoot a comment saying Wood sent me, so then he knows what channel he came, what channel y'all came from. But man, a woofing challenge. I'm always down for a challenge, y'all. I'm always down for a challenge. I'm a very competitive person. I want to win. And it's not like me and him are choosing. Y'all are going to be the ones voting. Y'all are the ones going to be voting on who won the woofing challenge. And it's not on who has the best waves. It's who made the best progress. Alright? Now this man, he scalped. He scalped completely, right? And he's starting over. And his progress is phenomenal, man. Phenomenal.
I'm gonna see a little sneak peek, you know. This is what I got going on right now, y'all. We gotta get a cut. I know we're looking dusty. And
I'm shifting right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting frustrated in the middle of my shift because things aren't going the way I want it to, and I've gotten so used to seeing my waves at elite status, and then all of a sudden, you know, my waves aren't looking the way I'm used to seeing them. So it's been a very frustrating process, alright? But, like I said, never back down from a challenge. Never back down from a challenge. So y'all know, I'm about to put in that brushwork right now. That was, you know, I had to throw in the Walmart brush, you know what I'm saying? It was a little Walmart, actually a Target brush. But, you know, I just wanted to say, throw that in there just to say it doesn't matter what brush you're using, you know, just to keep y'all saying, oh, I don't got the big name brushes. It don't matter, alright? Just get one, you know, a long bristle brush. Look, that's all you need. You know, you don't want really the short bristles. Try to get a long bristle brush if you can. You know, Wave Builder brush, that's fine. But, you know, I just wanted to have the first brush session of the announcement of the challenge with you guys. You know, I'm working. You know, right now this is my weak side, my swirl side, where the swirl comes. This is my weak side right here. You know, this all used to be connected, but look at that fork right there. We got this, no, that's actually kind of connected. But I want this all to flow in with the swirl perfectly. If I can, at the end of this session, you know, a couple waves here need to get connected. This is a lot of work that needs to be done. But y'all already know that I'll be putting in that work. I'm gonna get it done. All right, I'm gonna get it done. You know, but you know, shout outs to Louis for wanting to do this challenge. You know, but I mean, there's nothing else really to say except, you know, y'all always gotta remember, stay wavy. Just stay wavy, alright? And don't forget, but don't forget, guys, to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, you know? Please subscribe. Let's make this channel grow, guys. We on the way, you know? We accomplished 3K, you know? Let's accomplish 4K, you know, 5K, 6K, 7K, 8K, 9K, 10K. You know, we want to continue to build. That's what it's all about. You know, I can only do that with the help of you guys, you know. But hey, there's only one more thing I gotta say. All right, let me bring you in this time for this one. All right, let me go ahead and bring y'all in. And what I'm trying to say is, it's 360 Woods.